Nature is not an addition. Nature is not an addition that we need to bring into healthcare. It is a necessity.
So welcome everybody to Laughton Greenwood. And my name is Marina and I run Sussex Life Rediscovery, and we're going to spend the next few hours doing different things. So
This is a really important piece of work. So, of course, with the work that Dan's done and the research, which I can't wait to hear a bit more about when you're talking about it later.
I feel I am responsible for elevating the voices of the NHS staff that I have the privilege to walk alongside whilst doing this piece of research. And that experience on the course resulted in this staff member feeling more attuned to nature and how it can develop a healing mindset.
I think probably all of us know that whatever the location, wherever our patients are and whatever we're doing, there are opportunities to bring in thinking around sustainability and how we can work together.
We've been together since the COVID restrictions, and it was just such a powerful day. I think, all of my colleagues in the team just massively benefited, both from being in nature and from being together, and that inspired me to want to create that same sort of powerful experience for my clients.
If you haven't heard of that word before, biophilia means our innate genetic connection to the more than human. And that's what this work is about. It's about just rediscovering that relationship we have to the more than human, not just the human, not just the frigging human. How can I deepen my own connection? And who are my allies? Who do I need to